KerasCV is like a toolbox for common computer vision tasks such as data augmentation, image classification, object detection and segmentation, image generation, and more. Think of KerasCV as an extension to KerasAPI. It is made to work smoothly with PyTorch, TensorFlow, and JAX. But wait, how is that possible? Well, let's take a step back. In 2018, Keras decided to make do with its multi-backends, Tino, CNTK as well as MXNet, and focus entirely on TensorFlow. Now, fast forward to 2023, TensorFlow has 55 to 60% market share, whereas PyTorch has 40 to 45% and JAX has a promising support from the generative AI community. So, Keras is going back to its multi-backend roots and will be fully functional from the fall of 23. Due to this, in KerasCV, models, layers, and even metrics can be trained and saved in one framework and can be used in another framework without any hassle. How cool! Here are some of the image classification models in KerasCV: ResNets, EfficientNets, YOLO, and more. Stable diffusion models are also available in KerasCV. Now, let's take a quick look at an object detection example. Let's fire up Google Colab. First and foremost, we install KerasCV and KerasCore. KerasCore gives KerasCV multiple framework options. Now import KerasCV and KerasCore as Keras. Then get an image, load it as ND array and resize it to 640 x 640. Now initializing a model using KerasCV is as easy as pie. Use KerasCV.models.YOLO v8 detector and from preset to get pre-trained models. Pass the pre-trained weights and the bounding box format that you will use. And finally, to predict, use model.predict and pass the resized ND array to it. For visualization, we'll need the class mappings. And then use KerasCV Visualization's plot bounding box gallery to plot the predictions. In the coming weeks, we'll dive deeper into KerasCV, so make sure you're subscribed. You should also check out OpenCV University's free official TensorFlow and Keras bootcamp. Go to opencv.org/university/free courses to know more. Do comment on what you would like to see next and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Until next time.